Hola, ma'am. Hola, ma'am. Hola, ma'am. Hola, ma'am. Hola, ma'am. Hola, ma'am.
Hola, hola, hola. So we have many students today, right?
Hola, ma'am.
Hola, hola everyone. Hola.
Hola, ma'am.
Buenas noches.
Hola, ma'am. Buenas noches. Buenas noches, ma'am.
Buenas noches, buenas noches.
Hola, ma'am.
So how is everyone? How are you, everybody?
I'm fine.
Okay, so and Samraj Supriyo were also there. Arab.
What?
Okay, Arab. So there is one Arab, Aryan, and one is Arab, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hola, hola, new students. So, Katlina also comes sometimes. And we have Jyotishna, Arav, Oshru, Samraj, Supriyo, Sashank, Arush. Arush, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Arush is there. Ma'am, I'm there.
Okay, hola Arush, ¿cómo estás? How are you? How are you, Jyotishna?
I am fine. See my book. I've got a Spanish book.
Oh, wow, you got a Spanish book. Great.
It is
That's so good.
my first 100 words in Spanish.
So, does it have months and days? Search if it has months.
Everything. It
Yeah,
has
open it if it has months and days. Because what we are going to do today is again, we are going to do months of the year and days of the week. Muy bien, Oshru Ayushi. It's so cute. It's Mickey Mouse, right?
Ma'am,
Yeah, बहुत सुंदर है.
thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Muy bien, Sashank. Very good. So, Jyotishna, are you able to find it?
I found it.
Okay, so guys, what we'll do today is we'll
Ma'am.
do months of the year and days of the week in Spanish.
Ma'am, how is this?
It's very cute. So cute, Aryan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very cute. The eyes are so cute. Yeah.
Even I have. All have made. All of us.
All of us, all of. Okay, but I'll only appreciate one person who can tell me colors in it.
I
In
have.
Spanish. Can you, Jyotishna, can you try? Because we've done colors, right? Maybe we'll revise color also today.
Roku. I have Roku in my color.
Yeah, it's Roko.
I also have Rosa, which is pink.
Yes, Rosa, also Negro, which is black.
Also.
Blanco, which is white. And Gris.
And Vedre.
Yes.
Vedre. It is in my.
Okay, you're saying colors from your book. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we opened it. Great. They are on same page.
And ma'am, this is my Mickey Mouse.
Wow, Arav. Very cute. Arav, where is your Spanish notebook? The notes you make in Spanish, I want to see them also.
I don't have Spanish notes.
Why? But you used to write it, right? Where?
Yes, I'm writing it in my drawing book.
How? Show me where have you written all the things that we do in our previous classes?
These are in other books.
So bring those other books. Okay, everyone, you will have one notebook or for only Spanish. Okay, all the words we do, all the vocabulary we do, sentences we do, one notebook for everything in Spanish. Okay, you don't have to do it in different books, not on even pages, not on drawing books. Have one notebook, okay? So that you can revise it anytime when you need. Who all don't have a notebook? Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Everyone go and bring their notebooks. We'll do something new today and you have to write, and that copy should only be for Spanish. Okay, Sashank, go and bring a notebook. Oh, Shru, Ayushi, go and bring a notebook where you can write all the Spanish words. Arab, Aryan, go and bring. Lakshita. Very good. Muy bien, Lakshita, you have it. Katlina, go and bring a notebook. Arush, you have something to write notes on? Samrat and Supriyo have a notebook in which you can write notes. Muy bien, Arush. Everyone will show their notebooks on screen.
I have my notebook.
Muy bien, muy bien. And you have to maintain this, okay? Next time also when we have Spanish class, you have to write the notes from the same notebook.
Ma'am, English.
No, we'll write it in Spanish. Okay. Okay. Oshru, Supriyo, where is your notebook? Katlina is always on a beach. Muy bien, muy bien. Sashank, where is your notebook? Muy bien, Katlina, I can see your notebook. Yes.
Ma'am, Samrat भी लिखेगा या?
हाँ, दोनों लिखो, okay? Both of them. Write on a notebook. Okay, let's start. Everyone has it now. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so what we'll do today is, you can write this as heading. That is the months of the year and the days of the week. Okay, write months and week. So month in Spanish is meses, means month, and days means días. This is, so make two corners in your notebook. Okay, wait. Suppose this is your notebook. Suppose this is your notebook. Have two sections. Here write months and here write days. Okay. Meses and días. Meses and días. Meses means months, días means days. Meses, días. I've also written it in the chat. Okay, so if this is your notebook, you have two corners. In one side write meses and in other side write días. Jyothishna, have you written?
I'm writing.
Okay. Lakshita, you've written?
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Arav?
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay. Samrat, Supriyo, you are also writing? Okay. Shashank, you're writing?
I have written.
Muy bien. Arush, you're writing?
Yes.
Okay. Katlina, you're writing?
Manushya Didi is helping me. Manushya Didi is writing.
Okay. Okay. Oshru and Ayushi, you're writing?
I finished writing. Finished.
Okay. Muy bien. Arav and Aryan, you're writing? Aryan, actually.
Ma'am, what is this and de la semana?
Okay. So actually, you just have to write meses and diyas. Okay. This means the month. This is of the year. E is and the days of the week. So you just have to write months and days. Just meses and diyas. Okay, I'll move to the first one. Okay. So which month is going on right now?
जनवरी फरवरी करवा रही है चलो यहाँ
January.
January, right? Which month is going on now? January. So January in Spanish is enero. Everyone on their mic can speak enero. Enero.
Ma'am,
Yes.
जो ई से है उसमें मैम क्या
Sirap only yes. This is the name enero. You only have to write this much. सिर्फ इतना अपनी कॉपी में लिखेंगे सब. This much enero. Only write this in your copy.
Ma'am, I have written.
Muy bien, Arav. Muy bien. So everyone on their mics. Everyone on their mics and speak enero.
Enero.
Enero. Enero. Shashank, you
Enero,
want to
ma'am.
speak? Yeah. Arush, speak enero. Lakshita, Samrat, Supriyo, Katlina, Aryan. Everyone speak enero.
Enero. Enero.
Enero. Samrat, Supriyo, speak enero.
जनवरी को इनारा बोलते हैं.
Yes, in Spanish. So it is enero. Lakshita, speak.
बोला है.
Lakshita, speak enero.
Enero.
Enero. Muy bien. Katlina, speak enero. Aryan. Say enero. Enero. Okay. Now we have is February. That is febrero. Okay. Febrero. Okay. Now we have is febrero. Everyone on their mic can speak febrero.
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 Febrero. Ma'am, wait, I'm
Rado. No, not rado. It's rero. Febrero. Febrero. Katlina, speak febrero. Febrero. Okay. So it's febrero. Okay. So we celebrate new. Everyone write this in your notes. Febrero. Write this.
Febrero. Ma'am, I have written.
Muy bien, Arav. Muy bien. Everyone write febrero. Muy bien. So everyone, in January we had New Year, right? So New Year is called Feliz Año Nuevo. This is New Year. You don't have to write it, just understand that New Year is Feliz Año Nuevo. Feliz means happy, Año means year, Nuevo means new. So Happy New Year. Feliz Año Nuevo. Then we have Valentine's Day in February. That is 14. What is 14? Who will tell me what is 14?
is teacher. What is Katorse?
Yeah, so some of them have already done the numbers class. I want them to answer. 14. Muy bien. 14 is 14.
Is Independence Day.
Yeah, so it's 14th of February. Okay. Next we have is Marzo. So everyone speak Marzo. And also write it in your copy. Write this
Marzo.
Marzo. Marzo. Okay, Marzo is March. Marzo is March. Can anyone tell me what is Ocho?
Ocho is 18. Ocho de marzo. Ocho
Ocho is 8.
Ocho is 8.
Yes, Ocho is 8. So Jyotishna was there, Arav was there, Arush was there in our classes for numbers, and maybe they know it. Okay, everyone write in your copy Marzo. Everyone has written Marzo. Also on your mics and speak. Arush, say Marzo.
Yes, marzo. Marzo. I done it.
Yes, Arush.
I
Next is
done it.
Muy bien. Now we have is Abril.
Marzo, I done it.
So next is Abril. Okay, Abril is April, and we have Good Friday on Abril. Okay, it is celebrated for Jesus.
April. April.
Not April.
Done.
Abril. Abril.
Done. April.
Abril. Okay, those who have written now speak. Abril.
April.
Abril. Everyone on your mics and speak. Abril.
April. April.
Abril. Okay. So now the next one is Mayo. Mayo. Mayo is May.
Mayo.
Okay, can anyone tell me what is Dose? Can anyone tell me what is Dose? Dose is 12. So 12 of March is Mother's Day. 12 of March is Mother's Day in Spain. Mother in Spanish is madre. Mother in Spanish is madre, and 12th of March, May is Mother's Day. So everyone will write in their copy Mayo. Mayo. Mayo.
Ma'am, I done it.
You've done it? Muy bien. So those who have done it, tell me what is May in Spanish. Sashank, what is May in Spanish? Sashank, what is May in Spanish?
Ma'am, मैंने सिर्फ लिखा.
Sashank, what you have written is itself May in Spanish. So Mayo is May in Spanish.
Mila.
Okay, that is Mayo. Okay, what is January? Shank, what is January in Spanish? Check your copy, you've written it.
Ma'am, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ.
Okay, who will tell me what is January in Spanish?
बोलो
Enero. Enero.
Enero. Muy bien. Enero. Muy bien.
Enero.
Yes.
Enero.
Okay, what is April in Spanish?
Abril.
Abril.
April.
Muy bien. Muy bien. Perfecto. Perfect. Yes. So next we have is June and July. That is Junio, Julio. Everyone on their mic can speak. Junio, Julio. Julio. So J in Spanish is pronounced as K, K-H. J is pronounced as K. So Junio, Julio. Junio, Julio. That is June and July.
Ma'am, the first one is June.
Yes, the first one is June and the
first
second
wala
one
June.
is July. Yes. Junio, Julio. Everyone on their mic can speak Junio, Julio. No, not Julio or Junio. It's Junio. Julio. Muy bien, Lakshita. Very good. Junio, Julio. Sutashna, where are you? Okay. So in June and July, that is okay, right. I'm not moving ahead. So I was saying in June and July, that is Junio, Julio. In Spanish, there is an international music and dance festival. So how many of you like music and dance? Okay, you like music and dance? So if you want to see Spanish music or you want to see Spanish dance, you have to go there in Junio or Julio. That is June or July. You will be able to see this international music and dance festival happening in Spain, all Spain countries, Spanish countries. Okay. So the next one is Agosto. And the thing happening here is La Tomatina. So La Tomatina is a famous festival of, festival of tomatoes. So what they do is, like we have Holi with colors, right? They celebrate something like that with tomatoes. So they throw tomatoes on each other, they apply tomatoes on faces, they play with tomatoes. So the festival is called La Tomatina.
Ma'am, I have written.
Muy bien. So everyone say Agosto.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very good. Muy bien. Agosto.
Ma'am.
Okay, Sashank, what is... Okay, very good, Sashank. Very good, Sashank. Okay, Agosto.
Ma'am, my birthday in Agosto.
Okay, whose birthday is in August? Lakshita.
Yes.
Okay. Muy bien. Then we have
have
is...
birthday August.
You also have your birthday in Agosto. Okay, Sashank.
Birthday is in April.
April.
Yes. April.
Okay. When is your birthday, Arav?
My birthday is in say
Okay, then we have a Septiembre. That is September. Okay, Septiembre. So September is an Independence Day for Mexico. That is DSC says. Okay, who will tell me what is DSC says? Jyothishna, will you try?
Yeah, 16.
Yes, 16. Muy bien.
16.
So Septiembre. Septiembre is September.
Septiembre.
Everyone on their mic can speak Septiembre.
Septiembre.
September.
Septiembre. Ma'am,
Yes.
my birthday is 16 September.
Okay, your birthday is on September. 16th September. So, when your birthday is there, there is also Independence Day for Mexico. So, Mexico Independence Day is also on 16th September. That is DSC says this September. Yes. Okay. So, next is Octubre. Octubre. So, next we have is Octubre.
Ma'am, I have written Octubre.
Okay, muy bien. Everyone on their mic can speak Octubre. Octubre. Whose birthday is on October? Anyone whose birthday is on October?
Ma'am, my
Octubre?
birthday.
Who is my this? Who is this?
Ma'am, David.
Okay, David. David, your birthday is on Octubre.
Yes.
Okay. David, you're making notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, muy bien. Octubre. Everyone has written Octubre?
Yes, ma'am. I have done.
Okay. Then we have is Noviembre. Okay. We have Children's Day in November, right?
Ma'am, my birthday is in 9 November.
9 November. Okay. So November in Spanish is Noviembre. Okay. Everyone on their mics and speak Noviembre.
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 November.
Noviembre. Okay. So in Noviembre, there is a day called Dia de Muertos. That is Day of Dead. So what they believe is that all the people of the family who have died come together on this day and have lunch with them or have dinner with them. So everyone dresses up in the dress that was favorite to that person, or they cook food which is favorite to that person. And they believe that the person comes to us and eats with us on this day. So they celebrate this Dia de Muertos in 1st and 2nd November. Noviembre. Okay, now we have is the end of the year. That is Diciembre. Diciembre. Everyone speak Diciembre.
Diciembre.
Diciembre. Okay, Diciembre. Whose birthday is on Diciembre? We have Merry Christmas, right? On Diciembre. Whose birthday is on December?
Not my birthday.
Anyone whose birthday is on Diciembre?
Mine is 16 September.
Okay, your is Septiembre, right? Okay, everyone write Diciembre.
I have written.
Muy bien.
See, ma'am.
Muy bien. Very good, Arav. Very good. Perfecto. So I hope everyone has made the notes and everyone will revise it. Okay, next class, I want to know whose birthday is in which month. Muy bien, Pushpo. Muy bien, Samrat. Muy bien, Supriyo. Very good. Very good. Perfecto. Muy bien, Lakshita. Very good. Okay, next class, I want to know everyone's birthday is on which month, and you will tell me the month in Spanish.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's a simple exercise. You will tell me your birth month in Spanish. Okay, adios, ciao.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
So thank you and bye in Spanish is bye in Spanish is adios.
Bye,
Everyone, bye in Spanish is adios.
ma'am.